ஒரு டெவலப்மெண்ட் இருக்கு where the markets itself are getting better at adjusting. Okay. ஸோ முதல்ல வந்து நான் முதல்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண முதல்ல ஜிஎஃப்சி குளோபல் ஃபைனான்ஷியல் கிரைசிஸ் ஆச்சு. இட் டுக் இயர்ஸ் டு ரிகவர் ஃப்ரம் தட், ரைட்? அதுக்கப்புறம் the combination of asset managers, banks, central banks, governments, அவெல்லாம் ஒரு more stable policyக்கு they're working in a better coordinated fashion generally, right? So அதுக்கப்புறம் what we are seeing is இப்போ shock வந்ததுன்னா there's still a shock. COVID was a shock. These things are shocks. But the recovery from the shocks is happening firstly faster and getting back to a stable state. So there is this equilibrium state mari onnu vandurthu, which is good and encouraging. So, and that is happening in collection of all market participants. So that is a very good state for us. Then secondly, when we think about funds themselves, so that's very important. So நாங்க இப்போ launch பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் எங்களோட active fund, flexi cap fund. அதுலயும் நாங்க வந்து really looking at risk management, big lens. So how do you make sure that while you want to generate alpha, you want to make more money than the benchmark, that is the goal, the flexi cap or a goal, or an active fund or a goal. But as the market clear pomada, how do you protect? So the strategy itself is designed, we nariya data use pandrom, technology use pandrom, but the strategy is designed to make sure you get, say, protected on the downside and then generate consistent performance as the markets do well. So adu rendu macro la the overall industry economy eppadi is adjusting, and then individually how you construct your fund and the portfolio to make sure it can withhold shocks. And also, let's be honest, people need to have a longer term view.
Yeah.
Right? So if you have a very short term view, இப்போ நாளைக்கே பைசா வேணும்னா அது flexi capல போடக்கூடாது. That's common sense.
Yeah.
I say common sense, but the education also is important, right? So அது வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் we have to teach to say, how do you understand உங்களோட current situation and future requirements பத்தி எப்படி எந்த மாதிரி ஃபண்ட்ல பைசா போடணும், we have to educate. Industry is doing a good job. And I think we will continue to add to that. But once you have that understanding and once you invest, then you have to be patient and you have to be consistent also. So in the SIPs are great. அது வந்து அந்த கன்சிஸ்டண்டா இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ற behavior SIP is bringing into India, which is fantastic to see. So yeah.